Hello and welcome back to How To's with Earl and Noah. We are about to replace a tail light or brake light, I don't know which, on a 2003 Volkswagen Jetta, and anything between that is from, I think, the beginning of this business, right? From when? From 1999 to 2004, it will be the same exact thing for everything. So we are going to be replacing it back here. We gotta get the cover so the camera doesn't go it, but we're going to be replacing this one.
So you pop this off, and don't mind the clutter. This is my work car.
That's why it's cluttering.
You reach in there and not be able to see what you're doing.
Okay, there we
Comes
go.
out like that.
There we go. That's how you take it out. Okay, you're gonna look out. So 2 of them look like they're out.
Are they on? Any of them?
Only 1. Are you still 1? It's just brighter. So we need to replace that one right there. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I gotta focus. That one and that one. We gotta replace the one in the middle. Or it looks like it's on camera. Okay, that is not on.
This the burnt one?
Yeah, both. This one and that one are both out. So both.
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't test that one. We didn't test this one. We didn't know. Is it hot? This one's hot.
Not hot.
Oh, I need more.
This one is clearly,
Why?
because you can see whenever you look at these.
Can I put it in, Dad? There should be a little string on it. And how you tell is if that string between the 2 metal things is gone. That's how you tell. Okay, so let me focus it back in there. I'm only... You guys are gonna tell me which one is. Okay, so the 2 of them are out. The one you replaced is out. The one you replaced isn't working. The one right here isn't working.
Yeah.
Yeah. Neither of them are working.
Neither one of these?
Yeah. And you even replaced it, pretty sure. Yeah. Oh, there's one missing.
Mm-hmm.
What about that one?
Let's see. Let's see if it works.
Maybe this one's not twisted on. Okay, you're gonna tell me if all of them work. No. Whoa, no.
What do you mean, whoa, no?
One of them is very bright. Just got very bright. Yeah, and one of them just gets very bright. But only 2 of them work. 3 out of 2 are out. 3 out of 5
Which
are out.
ones?
That one, that one, and that one. They aren't working. Yes.
Why?
Oh, one works. The blinker. The blinker one is the one you replaced. So it works. The one you replaced is working right here. This one works, so this must be the other blinker.
But remember, you think the other blinker is on this side of the car? We needed?
Yep. We got both lights replaced. Well, that would be the end. Sorry. Really? I mean, we got to put it back in, but that's simple. You already took pictures of how to get it out. Just reverse that. We'll be making more how-to videos soon. Sorry, we only have like 2.